What I want to give to you guys is what I've learnt during my chef school, and that is efficiency. So there's two ways of preparing a ginger. One is using a peeler, the second is using a spoon. Today I'm going to show you how to peel ginger using a spoon. Now the advantages of using a spoon is that you're able to get in all of the nooks and crannies. So I'm just pressing firmly on the ginger and just using a spoon to scrape off the skin. Now of course, if you don't get every little bit of skin, you can either cut off that little knobbly bit or just leave a little bit of skin on there. Okay, so there you have it guys, my peeled ginger. You can see I've missed off a few bits, it's no biggie, it's fine. So now that we have our peeled ginger, I'm going to show you how to finely chop, but also using a box grater and show you how to grate. So I've just finely sliced the ginger, and I'm going to lay a few of them on top of each other. Remember, as we discussed, holding the knife correctly, fingers behind the blade, and in a rocking motion, we are just going to, this is what we call julienne, which is nice fine strips. I'll just bring all of them together to make one nice pile. And then I'll just go the other way. And there you have it guys. That's your finely chopped ginger. There's another way. So as you can see, what I have here is your standard box grater. Now personally for me, I use this a lot when preparing ginger and even garlic. What you're looking for, your standard box grater is always going to have this size here. And this is just where it's nice and easy. You're just literally grating that. Like so. Obviously what you're left here is the fibre, or the fibrous part of the ginger. Just use the back of your knife, important the back so you don't ruin the blade, to scrape out your grated ginger.